Myself BL Deepan, HOD Electronics, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Today I am delivering lecture on photodiode. Photodiode के अंतर्गत we will study about its working, characteristics and applications. Photodiode. A photodiode is a PN or PIN semiconductor device that converts light into an electric current. Photodiode एक PN जंक्शन और PIN P इंट्रिंसिक N सेमीकंडक्टर डिवाइस है जो कि लाइट को या लाइट एनर्जी को या फोटोन एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करने में काम आती है. द करंट इज जनरेटेड व्हेन फोटोन्स आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन द फोटोडायोड. करंट जनरेट होती है ड्यू टू मूवमेंट ऑफ होल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स व्हेन फोटोन्स आर और लाइट एनर्जी इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द फोटोडायोड. फोटोडायोड्स में कंटेन ऑप्टिकल फिल्टर्स. फोटोडायोड की ज्योमेट्री में इसके कंस्ट्रक्ट ज्योमेट्री में it may contain optical filters, built-in lenses and may have large or small surface areas. It is also called as photodetector, photosensor or light sensor. Photodiode operates in reverse bias condition. इसको reverse bias condition में काम में ले जाता है. That is, P side of the photodiode is connected to negative terminal of the battery and N side of the PN junction is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Photodiode materials generally are silicon, germanium, indium gallium arsenide, phosphide and indium gallium arsenide. Internally, a photodiode has optical filters, built-in lenses and surface area. When surface area of photodiode increases, it results in more response time. Few photodiodes will look like LED, light emitting diode. It has दिखने में फोटोडायोड एलईडी की तरह ही होता है. इसमें दो टर्मिनल होते हैं. जो स्मॉलर टर्मिनल होता है या जो स्मॉलर लैग होती है वो कैथोड की होती है एंड लॉन्गर टर्मिनल एंड लॉन्गर लैग इज ऑफ द एनोड. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ फोटोडायोड. फोटोडायोड का सिंबल है एंड द सिंबल ऑफ द फोटोडायोड इज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ एन एलईडी but the arrows point inwards is opposed to outward in the LED. तो इसके सिंबल में यही फर्क है कि in case of LED these arrows are outward whereas in case of photodiode these arrows are inward because it is used to sense the light. Light is made to incident upon its junction and it converts this light energy into electrical energy. Working of photodiode. Generally, when a light is made to illuminate the PN junction, covalent bonds are ionized. This generates hole and electron pairs. जब covalent bonds ionize होंगे, covalent bonds break होंगे, तो hole and electron pairs are generated. Electrons valence band से बाहर आएगा, excited to the conduction band and covalent bond में a vacancy is created which is a hole. Photocurrents are produced due to generation of hole electron pairs. Electron hole pairs are formed when photons of energy more than Eg hits the diode. जब forbidden energy gap से ज्यादा की एनर्जी वाला फोटोन किसी एटम को हिट करेगा तो it may cause valence electron to come out and move to the conduction band. When the photon enters the depletion layer of the diode, it hits the atoms with high energy. This results in release of electrons from the atomic structure. After the electron release, free electrons and holes are produced. तो यहाँ पर ये this is the light incident falling on the junction and nearby junction areas. This is the depletion or intrinsic region. Here only ions are present. On the p side, negative ions are there. On the n side, positive ions are there. So uh, when we reverse bias this device, holes are moving away from the junction in the p side, and electrons are moving away from the junction in the n side. The depletion region will have built-in electric field. Due to that electric field, electron-hole pairs moves away from the junction. Hence, holes move to anode and electrons move to cathode to produce photocurrent. This photoabsorption intensity and photon energy are directly proportional to each other. When energy of photon is less, the absorption will be less. This process is known as photoelectric effect. So we can say that in the photodiode, minority current conduction takes place. Only minority charge carriers are moving across the junction. Intrinsic excitation and extrinsic excitations are the two methods via which the photon excitation happens. The process of intrinsic excitation happens when an electron in the valence band is excited by photon to the conduction band. Intrinsic excitation उसको कहेंगे जब किसी वैलेंस बैंड के इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्साइट करके कंडक्शन बैंड में मूव करवाया जाएगा. If we excite an electron which is at donor level and move it to the conduction band, it is called as extrinsic excitation. When no light is applied to the reverse bias photodiode, जब reverse bias photodiode पर कोई light fall नहीं हो रही है, then there is a very small minority current flows across the junction. It carries a small reverse current due to the external voltage. This small electric current under the absence of light is called as dark current. It is denoted by I lambda. तो जब कोई भी लाइट जंक्शन पर फॉल नहीं कर रही है, उस केस में रिवर्स बायस वोल्टेज के कारण जो करंट माइनॉरिटी करंट फ्लो हो रही है थ्रू द जंक्शन, जो कि माइक्रो एम्पियर या माइक्रो एम्पियर से भी कम ऑर्डर की करंट होगी, दिस करंट इज कॉल्ड एज डार्क करंट बिकॉज दिस करंट is in the absence of light. In a photodiode, reverse current is independent of reverse bias voltage. photodiode में जो reverse current है वो reverse bias voltage के independent होती है. Reverse current is mostly dependent on the light intensity. Reverse current generally it depends on light intensity of the light. Most of the electric current is carried by the charge carriers generated in the depletion region because the charge carriers in depletion region has high drift velocity and low recombination rate, whereas the charge carriers in the n side and p side has low drift velocity and high recombination rate. तो जो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो बन रही है मोस्टली विच इज ड्यू टू द चार्ज कैरियर्स जनरेटेड इन द डिप्लीशन रीजन. उसका कारण यह है कि डिप्लीशन रीजन में चार्ज कैरियर्स जो जनरेट हो रहे हैं उनकी हाई ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी है और उनके रिकॉम्बिनेशन रेट कम है. द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जनरेटेड इन द फोटोडायोड ड्यू टू द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड एज फोटो करंट. तो इस तरह से लाइट इंटेंसिटी फॉल करने से जंक्शन पर या फोटोडायोड पर जो रिजल्टिंग करंट प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, दैट करंट इज कॉल्ड एज फोटो करंट. If we increase the intensity or change the frequency of the light, it may result in increase in photocurrent. The total current through the photodiode is the sum of the dark current and the photocurrent. The dark current must be reduced to increase the sensitivity of the device. अगर डिवाइस की सेंसिटिविटी लाइट के प्रति सेंसिटिविटी इंक्रीज करनी है तो वी हैव टू डिक्रीज द dark current of the device. The electric current flowing through a photodiode is directly proportional to the incident number of photons. तो जितने ज्यादा photons incident होंगे उतनी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट ज्यादा फ्लो होगी. Different materials which are used to construct photodiodes are silicon, germanium, gallium phosphide, GaP, indium gallium arsenide, InGaAs, indium arsenide antimonide, extended range indium gallium arsenide, mercury cadmium telluride, MCT, etc. Germanium, indium arsenide antimonide, indium gallium arsenide and mercury cadmium telluride generates large dark current because they are very sensitive to temperature. ये जो मटेरियल्स है इनमें लार्ज डार्क करंट होती है बिकॉज ये टेम्परेचर के प्रति सेंसिटिव ज्यादा होते हैं. द रेस्पॉन्स स्पीड ऑफ सिलिकॉन, गैलियम फॉस्फाइड, इंडियम गैलियम आर्सेनाइड एंड एक्सटेंडेड रेंज इंडियम गैलियम आर्सेनाइड इज वेरी हाई. इनका रेस्पॉन्स टाइम ज्यादा होता है, रेस्पॉन्स स्पीड ज्यादा होती है. VI characteristics of photodiode. Photodiode operates in reverse bias condition. We know it. Reverse voltages are plotted along x-axis in volts, and reverse current are plotted along y-axis in microamperes in negative y direction. In negative x direction, reverse bias voltage is plotted, and in negative y direction, resulting reverse current is plotted. When there is no illumination, reverse current will be almost zero. जब illumination नहीं है, जब जंक्शन के ऊपर कोई लाइट गिर नहीं रही है, तो उस केस में we will have only dark current. This is the dark current, and this is negligible, very small. When we increase the intensity of light, for example, there is no light here. In this case, light is about 1000 lux. Light is further increased to 1500 lux. Current will be about 200 microamperes. So current is continuously increasing. Characteristic curve is shifting downwards when we increase the light in lux. So light intensity of 2500 lux will get a current of the almost saturated value of current at the value of 400 microamperes. So this is the VI characteristics of photodiode. Applications of photodiode. The various applications of photodiodes are photodiode जैसा कि we know it, it is a light detector, it is a light sensor, it is a photosensor. So it can be used in TV units, remote of the TV, in compact disc players, used in safety electronics like fire and smoke detectors. It is used in object counting, objects which are moving on a conveyor belt. We can be used to count these objects. Photodiodes are used in medical applications such as computed tomography, instruments to analyze samples, and in pulse oximeters. Photodiodes are used for optical communication. Optical communication में is a receiver. Optical receiver we can use photodiodes. Ordinary photodiodes can be used, pin photodiode can be used, and APD can be used, avalanche photodiode. Photodiodes are used to measure extremely low light intensities. जो सेंसिटिव फोटोडायोड्स है, सेंसिटिव मटेरियल्स को काम में लेकर बनाए जाते हैं, those photodiodes can be used to measure very small amount of light. These are used in cameras, is photosensor. So this is all about photodiode. Thank you very much.